What is the function of the pressing device? For example, if the workpiece is placed here, it will be very loose when drilling holes. Then it is necessary to adjust the pressing device to press the workpiece tightly by moving and rotating. There is a handle here that can be locked, and now the workpiece has been pressed very tightly. If there is a wider workpiece, you can loosen the screws on both sides and move the pressing device back. This is a mobile workbench and a hand wheel. To create a square hole with such a long groove, it is necessary to first draw the line and place it according to the position of the drawn line. Punch out this long groove square hole by moving left and right. What is the purpose here? You can see that the current range of movement is quite large. If you want the range of movement not to be so large, you need to fix it by rotating it. After rotation, the range of movement will naturally decrease. So this is a limit mechanism that moves left and right. This is the lifting handwheel of the workbench. If there are thicker workpieces, in addition to adjusting the upper limit, we can also adjust the height of the workbench by rotating this handwheel. You can see a noticeable decrease in the tabletop. It is only through the lifting and lowering of the countertop that we can adapt to the thickness of our workpiece and penetrate it. If there are thicker workpieces, there is also a dovetail groove that can adjust the width by moving forward and backward. It is adjusted through this handwheel. Move the handle to the other side to start moving and adjusting. It is evident that the workbench is already moving inward. Alternatively, move the handwheel backwards. The overall adjustment of the machine is achieved by moving these components forward, backward, left, and right. In the next episode, we will take you to watch the boot up scene. Stay tuned.